Good morning, children. Now I am going to discuss with you about the electrical energy, heat energy, light energy, and sound energy. First, we discuss with you about the electrical energy. Children, nowadays life is almost impossible without the electricity. It is a very essential in nowadays. Almost all the appliances in our home like washing machine, television, computer, oven, fridge, tube light, fan, mobile, electric iron, all these equipment run with the help of electrical energy. So life is impossible without the electricity. In modern days, appliance run on the electricity, so we should always try to save the electricity and put an habit to switch off the electrical appliance when not in use. Now, heat energy. Children, it is very common type of energy. From where you get the heat? We get the heat from sun. In spite of sun, we also get the heat by burning of fuel like coal, petroleum, gas, wood, etc. This energy is used to generate steam, cook food, dry clothes, etc. In old days, with the help of steam, the train run. So it is very important type of energy. Light energy help us to see the thing around us. Sun and moon. From sun and moon, we get the natural. Sun and moon gives us the natural source of light energy. In spite of sun and moon, we get the light energy through the bulb, tube light, etc. Now, sound energy. Sound energy is produced when something vibrates. It helps us to hear. Our ear has an ability to recognize the differentiate between different type of sound. Now I am going to explain you about the law of conservation of energy. It is very important. According to the law of conservation of energy, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only converted from one form to another. न ये बनाया जा सकता है एनर्जी और न कि डिस्ट्रॉय किया जाता है. इसको एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म में चेंज किया जा सकता है. एज फॉर एग्जांपल, electrical energy, we use electrical energy to light a bulb. So electrical energy does not destroy. In spite of or instead it get converted into light energy. Electrical energy से हम लोग क्या करते हैं? लाइट बल्ब जलाते हैं. तो यहाँ इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी किस में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है? लाइट एनर्जी में. इन सेम वे वी जनरेट द इन हाइड्रो पावर प्लांट वी जनरेट द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो यहाँ हाइड्रो पावर प्लांट में क्या होता है? वाटर एनर्जी जो है, हाइड्रो एनर्जी जो है, वो कन्वर्ट होता है किस में? इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में. तो इसी तरह से एनर्जी को न बनाया जा सकता है और न डिस्ट्रॉय किया जा सकता. इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू वन फॉर्म टू अनदर फॉर्म. There are many such examples where we can observe the change of one form of energy to another form of energy. Now you read the lesson nicely, and if you have any doubt, please ask the question. Thank you and have a nice day.